So there's these people on YouTube that will tell you, oh, I got a stupid, simple trading strategy. It's so boring. It's all I do every day is I just do this every day and just make like $1,000 with a $50 risk or whatever. And all you do is you wait 5 minutes or 15 minutes and you look at this candle and whatever that candle tells you, then that's what you do. Dude, if anybody tells you you wait 5 minutes and look at a certain candle, wait 15 minutes, like they're either lying or they don't know what they're talking about. There's a lot more to it than that. That might be part of it, but that's not it. And if you'll notice, after they say that or later on in their video, they'll try to get you to join their trading club for $1,000 a year or whatever it is. So if it was really that easy and they were making that much money off of it, they would just have their trading channel on YouTube for free, like TradeNet does or did for years. They still have it on there. I don't know what they've done with it now, but for like 10 years, TradeNet was on there for free. You could watch him trade, do everything he did. But the market obviously doesn't work by 5, 10, or 15-minute increments or whatever. So you can't go, okay, there's the first 5-minute candle. It says we're going up. Boom, I'm long. Yeah, that might work 1, 2. You cherry pick 5 or 10 days, but you go back a week or two, you're going to see it didn't work more than half the time. There's a lot more things that you have to factor in. A lot of things. And then it's just, in my opinion, it's ridiculous to think you can even factor in one candle, even a 5-minute candle. I don't even factor in one candle. I look at them, look, here's an engulfing candle and a hammer candle. Should be going down. Okay, I'm going to short it right below this red candle. Boom. Everybody shorts it. It springs up. The market makers know that. Yeah, there was some resistance here, but whatever. So you got to go off. Now you can go off a pattern of candles. Like this is a beautiful cup and handle. Well, it's not a beautiful one, but it's a cup and handle. And or it's a high top, what I call a flat top breakout. Um, and not only that, I mean, even though, look at the run up. Look at the run. That's the run up today. The run up yesterday was, or the day, yeah, yesterday was even crazier. This is overnight consolidation. So I'm just saying, you got to factor in a lot of different variables and you got to get to know the market and the instrument you're trading. You can't just say, even here, you can't just say, oh, okay. And even if you get it right, so here you say, all right, this is a cup and handle or flat top breakout. Everything looks good. It's already spiked up. We got good green volume. All right, I believe it's going to go long. Yeah, you're probably right. But you got to be ready for it to break down the other way. Because a lot of times what they'll do is they'll pop up, maybe even up to here, start pulling back. You're like, all right, I'm going to add, I'm going to add, I'm going to add. Oh shit, it's still going. Okay, I'm going to add at the very bottom. It just goes right through this, all this, like it doesn't even exist and just keeps running down. So it's all about playing the odds. You're playing probabilities, but you also got to be ready to stop out at low loss odds, or you're never going to make it. You certainly don't go off, wait 5 minutes and look at this candle and do whatever it says. That's not going to work. Oh, and by the way, if you join their program, or maybe you can get a free trial, I don't recommend joining any program. If it's not free or at least has a free trial, I wouldn't do it. You're wasting your money. So, but if you do get to see their program, or if you watch enough of your videos, they usually show everything on that they do anyway for free because they're trying to make money. Why are they trying to make money off YouTube videos? Anyway, you'll see that like this. I saw this one dude on there. He's like, oh, this is stupid simple. In 5 minutes, I just do this every day. It's so boring. I just make $1,000. And then I clicked over to one of his other videos, and here he's, oh yeah, his thing was, I don't use any, no indicators. I don't use anything. It's just the candles. I flick over. He's got this freaking bubble bar thing. You couldn't even see the damn candles. There was so much crap. There was, I think it was a bubble chart. There was these big bubbles blowing up everywhere, and it wasn't a candle chart. There was candles you could barely see through the cracks in the background. I'm like, what the hell? And this is the guy that just said, stupid simple. I don't use any. All I do is after 5 minutes, whatever the candle tells me. It's ridiculous, man. They're just trying to sell you on a vial of snake oil.